Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Today we're making a barbecue pizza mashup with a pinwheel cake. So it's a barbecue pizza roll. I've got some chicken, barbecue chicken, right? Because that's what we were going to make. This is just regular chicken, about 2.5 pounds, give or take. That's just lightly salted and peppered, as you can see. And then a little bit of shred. You can go crazy and really shred it up if you want. To that, I've got some barbecue sauce. Sometimes I make my own, sometimes I don't. Today I don't. So I'm just going to put a little bit on here. It's not a lot. Maybe 1/4 of the bottle for that. Then to the pizza, this is just a store-bought pizza crust. Again, you can go and look at my flatbread pizza recipe and see how to make your own crust. But today I'm feeling like I can just get away with a store-bought pre-made crust. All right, so I'm just going to get a little bit of sauce on here. That looks pretty good. I'll spread it out with a spoon. Combine this up so we get some barbecue flavor to this. Once this is warmed up for the sauce, we'll bring back. Join me there. All right, so the chicken's ready, and you can see that I put just enough to cover the bottom. You don't want to go too heavy because it's going to ooze all over the place. I'm going to go ahead and just scoop some of this chicken right onto the pizza, and we'll spread it out. The inspiration for this guy was actually, funny enough, a pizza commercial, Domino's pizza ad for barbecue chicken pizza. So I'm following their fairly traditional ingredients for a barbecue pizza. It's chicken, red onions, which I've just cut into thin strips, and some cheese. So that's really all there is to a traditional. You could go scallion if you want, and you can get crazy with it. I'm going to go ahead and get some of these onions on. And again, I'm not going to go too heavy. I don't want to overpower the taste. So there's that. Now, I'm using, because this is a barbecue chicken pizza, I'm not going to use the traditional mozzarella. I'm going to use some sharp cheddar. So there's about 4 ounces of sharp cheddar. Again, you know, the other thing is this is a recipe that you can adjust. So if you don't like sharp cheddar, don't use it. Go provolone, go mozzarella, parm, whatever floats your boat. So then this is an Italian blend, which happens to be some mozzarella, some provolone, and some parm. Again, about 4 ounces maybe. I would be surprised if it's that much. All right. That's everything. That was maybe 1/4 of a red onion, maybe. And you're welcome to go as heavy or as light as you want. Now I'm just going to grab underneath and start trying to roll this guy up. And then we'll come back and we'll finish this off. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. All right, so we've got everything all situated now. You can see that the seam is there. This is 1 egg that I've beaten with about a tablespoon of water. All I'm doing is making a little egg wash for the top. And it's okay to be liberal with this. It's just going to help brown it up, but it's also going to help with my crust topping. Those of you that are familiar with fast food pizza, a lot of them offer flavored crust. I know that several of the chains do. This is how they do it. They get it wet with some kind of glue, and then I'm using a garlic powder, very light. I don't want to go too heavy. You see I've got a pinch of garlic powder. I think that's plenty. And then I've got some Parmesan cheese. Now this one I'm going to go a little bit heavier because it's just going to melt on, so it'll be okay. I just don't want to overwhelm somebody with a big bite of garlic. You could do whatever you want as far as the flavors go. I will tell you that if you like the butter crust style, you got to do that at the end. Otherwise the butter will just get cooked off. Okay, so that looks pretty good, I think. I told you already, it's 400 degrees. The instructions for the crust say 8 to 12 minutes. I'm going to go 20 minutes, but I'm going to check it at 15 because we folded it over, so it's going to take a little longer to cook. See you then. All right, timer's gone off. It's been about 17 minutes. It looks perfect. So, boy out. Stand up. Looks really good. Flip it around. There's the opening that we had before. Like I said, nice brown. Right. I'm going to go ahead and cut into it. I've kind of rigged together 2 boards because it's a little longer than my cutting board. But you can see that the cheese is melted. The chicken looks great. Barbecue sauce looks like it's nice and blended.
It's amazing. This is awesome. No, it's great.
That's it, guys. Doesn't get any easier than that. Look at that gooey cheese, the onions in there. Well, there you go, guys. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Let me know what alterations you make and all that good jazz. Hope you like it. Check back for the next video, and as always, take care.